Don't you go. Where the fuck is that SG kid at, man? He's taking so long. What is he doing? Right, that's it. I'm not waiting for him anymore. I know he's going to print me money tonight. I know he's going to make me crazy cash today, but I can't wait more, man. It's going to take too long. Like, where is that SG guy? He really needs to hurry up, bro. Like, I'm not being funny. I can't wait any longer. I need to trade right now. I have to. My urges are taking over. He starts streaming, he just runs away. Exactly, like, it's just not on. Someone has to tell him to stop doing it. He's too busy trying on vests. That's probably it. He's probably got like 20 different fucking vests and he needs to pick the best one. Tell him to hurry up, man. Wait, hang on. Let me give him a call. Let me give him a call. Let me give him a call. One sec. Yo, SG. Hurry up, man. Come on stream. Everyone's waiting. Wait, yeah, okay. All right, he said he's coming, chat. He said he's coming. One sec. Give him like 10 seconds. Yo, chat, we don't even have a camera. What's good? This guy's really unprepared as well. SG can't even prepare his own stream. Like, what is going on? Tell him to fix his shit. Chat, how we doing? How we doing, chat? What's popping? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon, good evening. I don't know where you are, but it's one of those three. It's either a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome back to the streams. Drop a like if you haven't already. How are we doing, chat? How are we doing? Come say hi. What's good, Giovanni? High Life. Mr. Triz, Bronson, Discipline. Gareth was right with the vests, I can't lie. I had to try them all on. Had to try on all the different types of vests just to get the right one, you know. I think I picked pretty well. All right, chat, good morning. Good morning, good evening, good night. Like I said, it's one of the options. Avamp was good, Dan was good, Abby, good morning, good afternoon. Holy chat, let's get into it, man. The whiteboard's missing. The whiteboard's missing from the scene, chat. What's going on? Yeah, that was fun, that intro. I can't lie. It was good, Danny. All right, let me just I have to do something real quick. How's everyone's day today? Anyone catch any positions? Any nice double U's? Hopefully no losses to start the week off. That would be a shame. But I think, chat, it's time to get some serious trading going. Let me do an analysis here. I need to upload something real quick. Nothing yet. Really think we'll get something today? Yeah, I think we're printing here, chat. We're setting up. Setting up, man. That's all we're doing right now. So, weekly time frame, chat. Weekly time frame is bullish. You close bullish, respecting this area, but very strongly bullish. So I do believe you will see a continuation up. Monthly flipped after a bottom wick, kind of, not really. Yeah, interesting. Daily candle as well. Let's see. It's a Monday. There's no news today, by the way. You did close sort of respecting a level as well. So if this is a liquidity grab, we might be a little bit cooked. I don't believe it is, to be honest. I think, to be honest, we are chilling for a continuation up here, but we do probably need to grab some more liquidity. New 4 hour, it's not really new, but the current 4 hour is pushing down a little bit. You do have some key levels over here on the 4 that we're tapped into and sort of respected here. So, what are we going to do here? I think realistically, let's take a look down on the 1 hour. 1 hour obviously is creating like a level here. 71.9, let's call that 72. Yeah, decently strong level, to be fair. Above there you have, should we call it 79? We'll call it 79. Yeah, it is 79. I do believe you should continue up. Might even have a little bit of a higher level, but I would say these are fake outs, to be honest. Below there, we're looking around, yeah, 63. If you close below 63, that might be an indication for some nice little sells there. Shit, 2 hour does not look hot either. Okay. Maybe we need some liquidity. If you close below 63, you've got room all the way down to 53, to be honest. It's a big range. And chat, very simply, that's the analysis for the day, right? I'm going to look for some price action mirrors in a second. But hopefully you guys understand that. Just closed gold shorts on my new 5 top step accounts. They're past halfway now. W, Mr. Dorian. And yeah, chat, look, we're going to wait for a liquidity grab, closure above, follow it up with the market structure. Market structure is quite evidently bullish. So, it's time to make that gazilli, chat. We're going for a gazilli today. I also have some top step accounts I'm going to be trading today, I believe. Some evaluations. I'm not going to lie, I blew 5 on Friday, just trying to be stupid with them for a bit of fun. They were nearly passed as well, and I was like, fuck it, let me just have some fun on a Friday. They were only it's like $49 or something, but I reloaded over the weekend. We're back. How was last week? You made percentage? You know what? I didn't have a single live trade last week. No, actually, that's a lie. I had one that played out for like 6 banderinos, but yeah, also underfunded. So like, I mean, we'll see. It wasn't really a big trading week for me, to be honest. There was not really many setups. Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, though. Big love to all of you who are pulling up. Fam, what's good? Mighty Meat as well. Let's have a good week. Yes, sir. Let's try and get to 30 likes. Pass those challenges. The top step ones, no, I blew them. Is what it is, right? Wait, why did it just get dark? Or was that just me, or did it just get dark? Am I tripping? That's too light now. Oh, chat, I wish I just had a shit webcam so I didn't have to care about this. Bueno, I think we're about there. All right, chat. How's everyone's weekend, though? What'd you get up to? Anything interesting? Boaz was good, my friend. Rentero was good. Bro's too white. I'm actually not white. I'm half... That's a lie. I'm fully white. I'm fully white. Yeah. How you doing? I'm doing very, very well. How about you? What'd you eat in the cut? Bro, my cut's been half Jamaican. Yeah, trust me. My cut's been very shit at the minute recently because I had family over and obviously they want to go to restaurants. And if I go to a restaurant, I can't resist. I'm not going to get like a fucking salad or some bullshit. I'm going all out. So, cut's been a bit shit. But I tell you what we did make yesterday, me and my girl. We made these like Greek yogurt protein ice cream things. They're actually sick. They're really, really good. So I've been snacking on them because I have a sweet tooth like crazy. Other than that, just healthy food, man. Like, I don't count calories. Nothing like that. I just, yeah, I'm just chilling, to be honest. How's your ETH position? Oh, I haven't even checked Ethereum, actually. I think it's like 3,000 and something now, though. Come on, son. Oh. 3,060. Not bad. I should maybe take some profits, to be honest. Maybe I'll just send it to my accountant. I owe him some money. My accountant takes Ethereum, by the way. That's how you know you've got a good accountant. When they take crypto, you know you're in the right hands. And that's 100% fact. Where is... Wait. Yeah, okay. Any travel plans for the summer? No, to be honest, I'm just locked in, man. I'm just trying to make 10,000 billion. If I can just make 10,000 billion, then I'll go on holiday. That's it. But now, real talk, I actually don't have any travel plans other than I have to go back to the UK in like 2 months, which is annoying, but it's a necessity. All right, cool. How do accounts work? You pay them a fixed... how do accountants work? You pay them a fixed wage for their service per week? Or you just pay them when you need them to check the books? Well, I think it depends on the accountant. I reckon they have different pricing models, but for me, I just pay my accountant for each job that he does. He sends me an invoice. So like, if he does something for my company or he files my tax returns, then I send him some money, renews my visa, send him some money, all that type of shit. It's just, I think it's just like a thing on their services. I believe if you're like, obviously, super big multi-gazillionaire, you just have one that's full-time on payroll, right? But I'm not at that level just yet, chat. I'm not just at that level. What's good though, Will, by the way? Soon though, chat. Once TRLS becomes a $10 quadrillion company, then we'll get one. Chat, I can't lie. I just have dreams about money every single night. I wake up in the morning, I think about money. Go to sleep thinking about money. I'm eating, thinking about money. I'm in the gym, thinking about money. It's a bad habit, but also a good one, right? I think that's, to be honest, how most successful people like play out. Unless they want to change the world or some bullshit. I don't really think many people actually care about that. Like, all these billionaires that say, oh, we just found a gap and we wanted to change the world. No, bro, you just wanted fucking bags. You think Zuckerberg created Facebook for the love of the game? No way. If he did that, then he wouldn't have snaked out his partner like the moment he had an opportunity, right? I mean, maybe some of them do. I could be wrong, but money talks. Money shouts, bro. Money fucking shouts. You're right there. What's good, Raze? How you doing, my friend? Get that classic Ibiza trip in. I don't have any boys to go to Ibiza with, right? Like, I don't have anyone... I've got no friends, chat. Nah, I'm playing. But, like, no one that I know is really on the same level as me in terms of financial. And that's not a bad thing. Like, a lot of my boys are just, like... I don't want to say regular people. They just work regular jobs, you know? So, they're not, like, the type of people that could just go and splash, like, 10K in Ibiza and be okay with it. Also, the streamer's saying, guys, I'm only doing this for you guys. I love this so much, but they never tell it's also for their own benefits. Chat, everyone does everything for their own benefits. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm super happy to be educating you guys. And the fact that I am educating you guys and helping out is such a big benefit. Like, I do genuinely love that. And streaming doesn't actually pay me any money. So I actually do streaming mostly for the love of the game, right? But obviously it does lead into other things. There's other benefits like my stuff growing and getting more subs and that type of shit. But that's probably the one thing I do for the love of the game. I don't trade for the love of the game. Trading's fun, but if it didn't make me money, I wouldn't do it, right? Speaking of that, chat, we've got we hit 7K subs this morning. So thank you very much for that. Much love, much appreciation. Let's keep the growth going. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new. 7K subs is crazy. Same with free courses though. Even they help people out, but also build a reputable portfolio of education as well as allow you to create a free trial type model. Free courses are just good because it helps people out and then, yeah. 7K was easy, 10K incoming. Chat, we are due like we're due a blow up right now, I swear. I believe that's a big positive for you. If you live around wealthy people, you start to live on a certain level, sometimes higher than your standards. Yeah, but the point is with that, like then your money has to elevate to that level, right? So I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing necessarily. We'll see, chat. Who knows, man? Again, the main thing is just enjoy your life regardless. Oh, wait. What the fuck? Oh, no. 10 million. All right, chat. 1 hour closed. No bottom wick. Oof. No bottom wick below the Levski as well. Very, very interesting, chat. No trade, though. It did break structure, right? If it didn't break structure, maybe we'd be in here right now. But it did, unfortunately, break structure. This could be a retest, though. Don't get me wrong. But the fact it broke structure, 2 hour close, super bearish. We're going to wait here. We're going to be a little tiny bit more patient, right? How's everyone been? Feels like I've been gone forever. Yeah, welcome back, Rentero, man. Bro, what fitness supplements you on? Creatine, electrolytes, etc. It's called trenbolone acetate, bro. It's a wonder drug. Nah, I'm joking. So I used to take creatine, but I kind of fell off on that. I don't know why. I just can never be consistent with taking it. I should realistically start again, to be fair. Creatine's really, really good for you. One of the main reasons I stopped as well is because like you have to drink so much water, and I already do that, but since it's so hot, I'm like sweating so much out. But yeah, electrolytes, that's what I'm drinking right now here. Electrolytes are super important. You can't be hydrated properly. You could drink 10 fucking big bottles of water like this and you'd never be properly hydrated unless you were drinking electrolytes as well. Or I guess supplementing it in your food. But realistically, electrolytes are a fucking big key. I don't take pre-workout anymore, really. I just have like a little energy drink or a coffee before I work out. You don't need anything. Like all of that's like an added bonus. Salt in your water. Still not enough though. You need magnesium, potassium, all of that. Food? Yeah, I know. Food. You get your electrolytes from food, but most people are not getting enough. Especially if you're eating like low carb and you're not getting anywhere near enough. Okay, nice. So we're starting to push up here. Volume's a little bit low though, to be honest. Which is kind of interesting. 5 gram creatine, 3 to 4 liter water is good. You drink less? No, I drink more, bro. But I live in a super hot country, right? So I noticed when I was on creatine, I was dehydrated still, even though I was drinking like more than 4 liters of water. Because I obviously like sweat a lot more when I work out and shit. Call me ghetto, but those 0.5 liter cans of Monster are crazy before gym. The white ones. White Monster's not the best in my opinion. I do like a good Monster before a workout though. I know it's not good for you, but I don't give a fuck. Which one is it? There is like this really fucking good strawberry one. Yeah, like this one. This middle one here is actually banging. Or there's like a this one here as well, like the pineapple one is pretty sick. What's good, Blizzy? Didn't you go to the sauna or drink Monster? Yeah, it dehydrates you a lot. Yeah, it will do. It will do. Yeah, sauna as well. So that's what I'm saying. Like, it can dehydrate you a lot. Nice. Had the same issue. Monster was my problem. Fair. Maybe that's the reason, but I can't work out without caffeine. I need at least some caffeine. Coffee does the same thing. It's still going to dehydrate you. Any caffeine pretty much dehydrates you. Chat, what's the date today? It's the 14th, right? Yes, sir. Okay, cool. I need to turn this music down. This is what. Oh, voice crack. Yeah. With Red Bull or normal gym booster, I haven't had this problem. Oh, really? Nicotine? Yeah, to be fair, true. Like, I do have nicotine as well. And that does dehydrate you. Snus? I don't like snus, bro. I can't lie. Snus just... I used to use a lot of snus when I was at the law firm. So when I was working in corporate law, I literally had probably like 3 or 4 snuses a day whilst I was in my little fucking office typing away. But I've stopped that now. What's good, Christian? How's it going, brother? Good morning, my friend. All right, so what are you looking for now on the charts? Ooh, I don't know yet, man. Like, either a closure below here could be good. We just respected my level, though, which is a bit difficult. Because, like, you've respected this area in the past a number of times. So, one of two things, right? Like a strong liquidity grab down, closure bullish, will take some buyers back up. Or we look for a closure here to continue down, or a closure below 53, right? But as of right now, the market structure is still very bullish. 4-hour closed above most recent highs. I have no reason to take sells just yet. I would need like a strong closure, a strong liquidity grab, which we don't have just yet. By the way, chat, tomorrow is my live masterclass, right? If you haven't already, make sure you go and take a look at that because it is filling up extremely fast. I believe we have like 2 slots left. I need to check that. It's something like that. But why can't I copy this link? Okay, for some reason I can't copy the link. I'm going to be teaching my full strategy within that masterclass, right? So if you do want to actually get access, I'm going to send the link in right now. Tomorrow evening. This will probably be the last day that tickets are actually on sale because we're limiting it to a super small number, like genuinely 10 people. So there's like 3 slots left. It's $50, but I'm going to teach you everything from my strategy, psychology, risk management, how to pass a prop firm for us, to everything, bro. Absolutely everything. So you do want to learn how to become profitable, then that's the one for you, man. So cheap, but the giveaway. Also, yeah, by the way, I forgot to say the giveaways, because someone mentioned about the fact that I'm selling this masterclass, right? It's $50, yes. But I'm doing like some huge giveaways inside. Pretty much we have like $1 million worth of funding that's going to be given away. And bearing in mind there's only 10 people inside there. Obviously you're in a massive chance of winning it. I'm pretty sure most people will walk away with a funded account. So I'm actually going to lose money from this masterclass. So you can tell quite clearly it's not just for the money. I'm really trying to help you guys on this one. What is it? I just explained it. Teehee. Look, is ranging today? Nah, we're not ranging. We're trending upwards here. She's on 7K. Thank you, Blizzy. Meanwhile, this guy's sat here with like way over 100K. Right? I think you have like 100K. Yeah, bro's got 150K. Blizzy, man, I'm trying to be like you. I guess everyone starts somewhere, right? On the content grind. Oh. Chat, we're pushing down here. 5 minutes is closing. Still got no top wick on the current 5. Closing below though. Might see a nice little continuation. Need to set up these evaluations as well. So wait, I need to head over, copy trading. Clear, lead account. Oh shit, what number do I need? Bang, 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 bang. I'm pretty sure these are not valid, so let's just leave this. You loaded some new accounts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I did. Yeah. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Only 5. What happened with Apex? I still got them. I'm trading them slowly on the side, but I'm not going to trade them on stream for right now. Still here, man. I'm also going to try and get some more Apex funding as well. I'm going to try and get to... Because I really like Apex, bro. The trading, like, experience is super nice with them. So I'm going to try and get to the 20... Trying to get 20... 50k accounts for a total of $1 million, right? That'd be fucking sick. What's the what sale do they have on right now? Next time they have 90%, I'm going balls to the walls. They currently have 80%, so I might actually do it now. We'll see. But chat, if you do want to get an Apex account, they do have 80% off right now using code TRLS. Absolute screamer discount. Should we look at NQ? Actually, chat, let's do a little NQ analysis. Haven't traded NQ in a while. Like, properly never, but I messed around with it for a little bit. This is why I hate fucking futures charts, bro. They just gap. I don't want to look at gaps. That's what all the ICT fellas call a NWOG. New week opening gap, right? Bullshit. It's just a candle with no bottom wick. That's all it is. How are you meant to even analyze that, bro? I guess this candle technically opened here, so currently it's just a fat bottom wick. Well, those gaps, it's just fucking the broker being an ass, to be honest. That's all it is. How do I even analyze this with all the gaps, man? That is tripping me out. I think I'd actually have to do like a... Is there 80% valid for one account or multiple accounts? Multiple. You can get as many accounts as you want with 80% off. What's it on NAS? Is it NAS USD? Now, what is it on? It is NAS, right? It's NAS 100, of course. I'm a retard. There you go. See, look, the Forex charts just look 10 times better. Honestly. All right, so on NQ, you have like basically a weekly bottom wick. Daily. Same thing, obviously. 4 hour, same thing, actually. We're looking pretty bullish here, chat. Where are your levels at, though? This is chop. This is just choppy in here. What the hell? I guess you have one here at 22. Am I right in thinking that NQ on the 1 hour is way too high of a time frame? Should I be dropping down to like the 1 second and doing what all the ICT traders do? Nah, I'm not doing that shit. No way. It's actually a pretty good level here, to be fair. Take you up towards these highs, at least. With like a risk-free area right here. Not bad. Maybe if we do get an hourly closure above that high, we could look at a position. But again, I'm not going to be trading this like on stream or anything. It's just... I don't add it to my watch list. Oh, fuck, I have to do it like this. There we go. All right, gold's pushing down the chat. We've got a 15-minute closure right now. Closing below the level by the looks of things. Again, don't be sucked into this, though. Top wick first. Very strong level on the... Wait, why? If you look at the futures chart, actually, this does not exist on... Wow. Look how strange the difference is between futures and Forex as well. That is mad confusing. can't get involved in that. If you're taking a trade on FX, yeah, cool. But if you're taking it on futures, whoa. And then again, like, it's the same market. So to be honest, what I would like to see is just a bullish closure here on that 1 hour time frame. If that can flip, close back above, buys all the way up towards this top, don't look too bad. Crazy day for me today. So far made 1.6% in Asian session. Big congratulations, my friend. 1.6% is nothing small, so congrats. Very, very good. What'd you catch in Asian? Buys? I assume buys, or maybe you took sells from the top. I don't know, man. All right, nice. Caught a silver move and Aslos. What's Aslos? I don't know what that means, man. Also, okay, I was gonna say. Also, fake out closures in the range for top of gold, catching buys to the top of the range. Nice. First trade of the week, as you advised me, I upped my risk to 0.2 lot and hit SL. Ah, you're good, bro. How much did you lose then? Still less than 1%, right? You'll be fine. Oh, bro, $121. That's 0.5% still. That's so minor. That's so minor. You're all good. Next trade, you'll make it back. Coming into a very strong sort of area right here towards the 60s. I expect to see a rejection here, to be honest. If we rip straight through, then that's what we do, right? But what's your account capital? Mine? I can't disclose that information, unfortunately. Funded accounts, different story, right? But personal capital is basically a bank account, so you might have been asking Danny, to be fair. Asking that Danny guy. What you doing with that cheese, Danny? I love that. That Shane Gillis skit. I don't know if it's a skit, just a joke, I guess. See, look at the rejection chat. What did I say? £1 million. I told you guys it would reject right now. Simple as that. Mm-mm-mm. 23 children, 22 baby mother. Real bad man. Bomba clot. I'm not even reading that out. That's way too much. I don't have the Jamaican accent for it. I'm half Jamaican, but I don't have the capacity, unfortunately. Baby, me love when you whine. I can't do it. I'm going to start laughing halfway through. Chat, what if we all bought at the same time? What if we all just buy gold right now? Make the market move like crazy? You know? Chat, by the way, I uploaded a YouTube video on Saturday, was it? I think so. Saturday or Sunday. It was an absolute killer video. Make sure you go and watch that if you haven't already. By the way, I just took 500 pineapples. Had to say it. Respect. Respect, respect, respect. 10 million pineapples. That was a bit crazy, I can't lie. But yeah, this video right here, chat. Crazy Bumbleclap video. Actually insane. So much value. I'm liking the little purple theme we got going on here with the nice little thumbnails. Because then also you got purple desktop background, right? Desktop background? What the fuck am I on about? Like video background. Chat, it's all thought in, man. It's all thought in with the process. You guys don't know. Gonna change my name to the Pineapple Man? Do it. Why not? Yeah, man. Chat, I got a new vlog coming out as well soon. You guys gonna love that one. Got a sick little vlog. Chat, who remembers this? This is OG. Comics open right now? Yeah, but we're nowhere near where I want to be. Poor chat, I missed this car. Holy. Mr. Whippersnapper. Yo, I actually really miss this car right now. Look at the fade as well. That was a sick haircut. I'm desperately in need for a trim right now. Just go rag it about. Yeah, this car was fast as well. You sold that car already? Yeah, I moved countries, right? I had to sell this Merc a while ago. Unfortunately, I could not import it out to Cyprus. Yeah, this was clean. I'm gonna have to buy a better one next year. GT3 RS incoming, chat. Good, Malinka. I'm buying a Golf GTI CS. Crazy. Wait, let me look one of these up. What's the CS do? What's the difference? Club Sport? Does that make it quicker? Oh, is it like the... Yeah, that's quite nice. Nice little spoiler on the back and shit. I like it. The proper Euro car that Americans could never know about, like the Golf GTIs, Golf Rs and shit. 300 horsepower? Not too shabby. My car right now has like 370, but it's also probably 3 times the weight of that Golf, so it's not as fast as it. Nowhere near. I think my car right now weighs like 3 tons. It's fucking crazy. Although, chat, updates to my Range Rover, right? We're going through the process of getting it all blacked out, like dechroming it. Because it was, it had like still a chrome grille, chrome badges, chrome like fucking, what are they called, like detailing, I guess. I don't know. It's pretty much fully dechromed now, all blacked out. I'm so tempted to black out the front as well, like the front tints, because you basically in Cyprus, I think you can have full limo tint all the way around, right? I've seen so many cars do it, so I'm tempted to just run it, because I think that would look fucking ridiculous. I don't know if it's going to ruin what it looks like, but no, it shouldn't do. I think it's going to look bad, boy. What are you driving? Range Rover Sport. I got a Tesla and it got keyed the second day I got it. Was this during the Elon Musk situation or what? Because if so, then yeah, that's peak. Yeah, it would look like this. Tinted on the front as well. Whoa. Maybe even more, like... That's chameleon tint, no? Yeah, I don't want that. Like this, bro. It would look exactly like this. Whoa. But that's not a Range Rover Sport. That's just a regular. Rover. Big bomber class stacks. Nah, it's actually a really nice car. I absolutely love it. It's the most comfortable thing you'll ever drive in, I swear. Actually, maybe a Rolls Royce beats it, but... Hey, what's good, Tony? How you doing, bro? I forgot to see you. I didn't see your message. Ground Rising, Trendline, and Traders. What's good, man? Yeah, gold's melting right now. Could still be a liquidity grab, right? The 1 hour close, no bottom wick, and respecting. If we pop up back up right here, take a nice little look at some buys. Not too shabby. Just stabbing down right now. 5-minute candle was 47 pips. Not bad. So Comics Open did bring some volume, which is good. Daily flipped. Whoa. Yeah, momentarily it flipped, all right? Yeah. Crazy. Maybe we have some sells then. Maybe we look for a nice little closure below 53. You've already filled the range down here, so I can't get anything here. But if you close below 53, that might be the one. However, still could be that little fake market structure shift. I taught this concept in my most recent video, right? But sometimes you have like something like this, which is a fake liquidity grab and then a continuation up, right? So you have to be very careful here. I've got a Kia EV3 electric SUV. Tell me why. So, yeah, electric cars are quick, bro. Very, very quick. Like, Yannick, Mr. Yan, bought a BYD, that Chinese brand. And when I had my AMG, I think he nearly beat me in a race in it. Like, they're fucking... Electric cars are quick off the line. Obviously, because it's like instant power like that. Have one electric car in China? Are you based in China? Crazy. What's good, Mr. Bedge? How's it going, brother? Anyone watch the Wimbledon finals? No, I did not. No, you don't live there? Why do you have a car in China then? What? You just go for work or some shit? Just have car there and a home? Oh, okay, fair. Business, yeah, nice. Do you need a 30-minute close or 1 hour close of NQ? Looks clean on this 30-minute. Oh. Oh. Should we take an NQ trade live on stream? How do I get off this fucking thing? Wait. MNQ. Actually doesn't look too bad, I can't lie. For a second I thought your camera closed. Sorry, I was focused in. It's quite tough here though. I have a little level here to the left. It's not there on the futures chart though, so maybe I do need to use the futures chart. Which is tough because the gaps piss me off. Dialed it in, yeah, trust me, I had to lock in for a second there. Subset charts look shy, better to change colors. I don't really care about what they look like on the executional platform. I only really care about what they look like on my trading view. Because that's where I'm doing my analysis, right? I've got to the point now where chart colors don't really affect me, right? I would want to see a closure above that level, unfortunately. I mean, maybe. There's like a weird 30-minute level here as well. 30-minute close, no top wick on that as well. What's gold doing? Close below. Makes sense, I thought you'd use that. Yeah, nah. If I was using that for analysis, then I'd switch it up, right? But make it and I'll trade it. What? Trade what? All right, chat. So we closed below here on gold. Oh, NAS 100. Yeah, okay. Tapping into some key levels here. And we are continuing down here. No top wick first, so there's obviously no sells, no real indication we're going to reject right now. So we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. I'm hoping that we can get some more volume here in the next couple of minutes. Yeah, I'm hungry again, chat. Why am I always hungry at the minute? I swear, like, I'm consistently hungry right now. I need some of that retatrutide, or whatever the fuck it's called. That's meant to be like the new goated compound. Obviously, I wouldn't take it though, but if you see me losing fucking 10 pounds of body fat in like a couple of weeks, that's why. 372 level was my daily Fibonacci. New York could continue pushing down. Could do. Yeah, New York's obviously going to set a direction here and we'll see. Eat fufu? No, bro. No. What the Sigma? Chat, see, starting to reject here. I would have liked to see like a little sweep below the levels though. Below this Asia low as well would have been really nice. Come and sweep these Asia lows and then reject. That's going to be our buys all the way back up. But yeah, we need to be patient right now, chat. Need to be patient. What news do we have for the rest of the week? Let's take a look. So we have Tuesday. Obviously today, nothing, right? Tuesday is CPI. Big day tomorrow. Big day tomorrow, chat. We'll stay live for that. Most likely. Yeah, definitely. Wednesday, PPI. Again, another big day. Thursday, unemployment claims, retail sales, another big day. Friday, no news. So midweek this week, chat. Very big news. Very big news. How'd you get the trading times up? Market sessions by Leviathan. Just go to indicators and then type that in and you'll be able to grab it. Pretty good little indicator. Shows you. Yo, chat, one of my students yesterday messaged me and said he made a TRLS indicator that marks out the levels for you. Maybe we're going to have to bring that one to action. Could be sick, actually. I want to see if we can code one that like figures out a breakout, flip, and then an entry, right? Show it and let's see how accurate it is. I don't have access to it right now. But I'm trying to see if we can get one to like... Imagine you get one that just shows you the exact entry. It's like, yeah, we broke out, you flipped, retested the liquidity level. To be fair, the strategy is pretty simple. I guess you could probably do that. I don't know, man. We'll see. And then I can be a proper fucking... I can be like one of those fake gurus and I can sell it to you guys for an extortionate amount of money and just rinse you all. And then it actually doesn't work. And then I just run away with my Lambos and my private jets. That'd be sick. Chat, how cool would that be? You guys would love that, right? That'd be so fun. We should do that. Let's make an indicator. My evil plan coming to fruition, chat. Cannot wait. Bring me in and I'll scan my viewers. Also, get in! Chat, first partnership secured. About to see me like Leonardo DiCaprio in The Wolf of Wall Street. What I'm bringing across your table right now, John, is a once-in-a-lifetime offer. Aerotine International. That's gonna be me. With imminent patent-pending radar technology. Pretty bad that I know that scene word for word, eh? Chat, we came and got the bottom wick here from this previous no bottom wick 30-minute candle as well. Rejected a little bit, but then immediately pushed back down. So we'll see. This is a joke for the people who think it isn't? Yeah. Oh, I'm pretty sure we made it obvious enough. Average ecom guy. Yeah. Average fucking trader, to be honest. Chat. The moment I sell this indicator for like $1 million total revenue, I'm switching up on all of you guys. That's it. Switching up on day ones. Switching up on all the people. I'm joking. Same? Yeah, calm, trust me. That excitement that you have deep inside your heart to switch up on your day ones the moment you make money, oh, it's unbeaten. Just like, sometimes I practice it at night, you know, I'm ready to press that block button. This number is no longer in service. And they're like, what? You got switched up on, my friends. No, I'm joking. Or am I? Made a macro for it? Yeah. I've got mine connected to my like smart home, right? I just have to go Jarvis, switch up on my day ones, and it goes, okay, sir. And then blocks everyone, changes the locks to the house, fucking changes my legal government name, everything. Like that. Chat, we are ripping down here. Holy. How much chi do you have? I've got all the chi. Like, I literally sit there at night and just harvest chi from the environment. Right, so we did sweep the Asian lows, chat. Let's see how we react here, though. Because previously you did, I guess, sweep the highs. What did I train yesterday? Did I train legs? Chat, what are you guys training in the gym today? If you're going, what are you training? Let me know. Why is my camera like cooked? Oh no, maybe it's not too bad. Neck day. Bro's training neck. That's insane. 5 minute. Still no top wick. Holy. It's the sweep of all sweeps right there. Unless it wants to keep pushing down. Chat, if it wants to close below, it wants to close below, right? There's nothing I can really do about it. I think I'm going to train like... What do I even need to train today? I did legs yesterday. I did chest the day before, back the day before. So it's technically like a shoulder day, I guess. I've forgotten my split. Chat, I might be cooked. Maybe I'll just bang some cardio. Go for a run or something. Nah, fuck that. I'm not running. Just full port the evals. Oh. Yeah, I could just sack off the gym and just full port my evaluations. Could we go swimming? Yeah, swimming's pretty fire. Are we gonna flip? What did the 5 minute just do? Close below. Some strong levels here though. Can't believe you're ripping down like this before NY Open. That's pretty insane, chat. Normally when you see this happen, what you'll see next is like, well, it depends actually. I think we need to watch how NYSE opens, because if NYSE starts to reverse this move, you're going to see a big strong push to the upside. But if it continues it, you might just run down the entire day. What's the weirdest place you've entered a trade? That's a good question. Probably at a funeral. I'm joking. I have not done that. What a clip. No, I don't know. I don't know. Let's think. On a plane? Yeah, on a plane is a good one. Like in the air, obviously with like Wi-Fi and shit. On a plane's an interesting one. I've never ever lost a trade on a plane. Fun fact. I've taken 2 trades, I think, maybe 3 on planes. Never lost one. Will you be looking for shorts if we close below 53? It depends, because if you do something like this, right, you've got no liquidity from above the highs right now, chat. Remember, like, you've got nothing up here. The one principle I always teach you is, if you're taking a position, you need to have liquidity from the opposite direction. Yes, you broke above these highs, but I think that's what caused this move down. For the next move down, I think you need more liquidity, and you don't have any yet. You know, this could still be a liquidity grab, for all we know. You could literally just see, like, tap into here, reject, and then a continuation up. I'm not saying we will, but it feels weird jumping into sells here as well. Stops are also ginormous. You do have room. If you close below here, you have room down towards, like, 44. Yeah, 44 is the next key level here. So if you close below, grab some nice liquidity, then yeah, maybe that's the play, but I just want to see how we start to react down here. I remember you were live once in the airport. Was I? No? No, I was live once and then I had to go to the airport. And also I took a trade in the airport on signals. But I don't think I've ever done a live stream inside it. Yeah, I took that. Yeah, I did it at airport. Yeah. Oh. My ACG stats are low-key kind of crazy. 72% win rate, average IRR is 1.8, but sometimes it messes up the stats because of BE. That's pretty sick, bro. Yeah, congrats. That's pretty good, man. Should be easy to pass an account with those stats. Just keep trading the way you're doing, right? Don't try and get too cocky or anything like that. Just take it slow, steady. Slow and steady wins the race, right? We know that. Bro, he makes me so tired. What the fuck? How do you stay energetic? Don't be a bitch. No, I'm joking. I don't know. I don't really always stay energetic. Sometimes I have low energy, but I just caffeinate, to be honest. Just drink coffee all fucking time, all day. Top GSG, what's good, Jan? How we doing, brother? Just talking about you and your BYD that nearly smoked my Mercedes in a race. In fact, I think you probably did at some point. But like the mentally annoying thing would be starting stage 2 because everything will reset and I don't know why it will feel like someone took me out of the flow. Nah, definitely not, bro. Just pop the tire, don't worry, crazy. Normally all my shit is only one phase, but this is the first time I got a 2-phase account. No, I hear that, bro. But the thing is, the 2-phase accounts are better because you get better conditions once you pass. So just see it as like an investment in yourself, right? Chat, give me 1 sec, I'll be back. I'm gonna get some drink. All right, we're back. Fuck. Yo, we're back. I want to be cocky, but I went offline for 6 months and life is great. Just bought new LV trainers, LV bag, LV 45 bag, and my car coming. Nice, bro. Congrats. Don't let the materialistic things get to you, but that is sick. What car? Or was it you that was buying a Golf? Oh yeah, it was you, yeah. Sick. Congrats, man, congrats. Which LV 45 bag did you get? Because I've got one. They're very nice. And which LV trainers? Because I've got some as well. 11 minutes here to the close, chat. So we have some potential here on this closure. A lot of potential, actually. 10 minutes till we actually close here. I believe, to be honest, that we're going to see... If you do see a closure below here, you need some liquidity. But once you have that, there's no reason why we shouldn't push down. 15 closed. Bearish below. Next one flipped. Interesting. Jed's a professional hater, full time. What this guy does for a living. He clocks into work and like logs into loads of different accounts and just hates. Chat, this hourly candle is fucking like nearly 200 pips. One on StockX. Crazy. Which ones are they? The ones with 43 on the back? Might be the exact same ones I've got. Chat, did anyone catch these cells? If you caught these cells, then you might be goated. Jed, you capping me? Uh-oh. I believe he is, to be honest. Boaz, I personally wouldn't take that. I personally wouldn't take that from him. Sells to 33.15, pay for my tire? Maybe. You're trash taking sales with zero confirmation? Okay. LV on the back or leather? Okay. Okay. I was looking for sales just for NY, but didn't give me my entry. Yeah, there's no entry for anything here, to be honest, for me. Should we try and catch the bottom though, chat? Should we just try and catch a falling knife for the fun of it? I'm gonna get some moon boots. I bought my girl a pair of moon boots. They're actually fire, I can't lie. For women, not for you, Jed. I'm in buys, just scaled in. 200 extra pineapples. Let's see how much more I need to scale in. W. Starting to reject a little bit here, chat, though, which is good. Maybe we can get like a nice little flip. Closure above, please. Thank you. Me next. Let me think about this one long and hard. Pause. Pause right there. Jed, he's absolutely done you there, mate. Like, he's absolutely got you. Seriously, no reply to that. Like, you actually just can't come back from that one. Next 4 hours, I need to top wick so I can get out of all my positions. But first, my 100 positions will still be in drawdown. Yeah, but you're good. As long as it's an average break even, you're fine, right? Somehow. Chat. Exactly, you know the strat. I've heard of it. I haven't used it myself though. So you tell me how it goes first and then we'll give it a go. Right, we have an hourly closure here in 6 minutes as well. Then you have NYSD in 30 minutes after that. So realistically, there's a lot of potential here for us to grab something right now. Less of it on StockX as well. Rejecting here, chat. This is very interesting. Chat, look at this. How sick does this look? Probably doesn't look the best, but it's actually fucking banging. My girl made me these yesterday. It's too cold right now though. I gotta wait. One of the most gayest things ever said, but I gotta wait. Just take a position where you want. Doesn't really matter when it goes against you. Just keep scaling into random areas and then hope you get some 5 pips. That's the strat in a nutshell. Surely that works every time. That's what I've heard. You never ever will like end up being in a massive position and losing anyway and wiping out everything. Right? This stream never fails to entertain. I'm telling you. My girl brings me different types of magnums for us to share. Do you mean your boy, Jed? I think you mistyped. It's alright though. What a joke that was. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, okay, good. Right. You're banned. Get him gone. You're all one trade away from being a millionaire. That's what I'm saying. If you full port and then never close the trade, someone's going to do that and make a mill. This is your trade, full port? Yeah, exactly. Nom nom nom. I can't even eat that on stream. I'm going to have to turn the camera off every time I take a bite. 4 minutes to the hourly close, chat. The 15 might want to close bullish here, to be fair. Full point in a buy side next till the next year. Let's go. W. Double U's. Fuck, that is good. Nom nom nom. Have you ever tried 50 to 100 lots? The biggest lot size I've ever had. The biggest lot size I've ever had on a trade is 40 lots, which was crazy, to be honest. Very scary. Full NQ with 15 cons? No. 15 cons is crazy. You're a crazy guy? You're a crazy guy, bro. Like, really crazy guy, man. That was an attempt at like a Bradford accent, but it ended up more like South African. I don't know why. I feel like I'm scared to even trade with 5 lots with gold nowadays. Yeah, I know. It's fucking weird. Completely different. Chat, 3 minutes till the closure though. It looks like we want to close below. Ow. Fucking cold. Yo, let's get to 50 likes on the stream, chat. Much appreciation. Cutting but eating magnums? It's not a magnum. How much? 40 lots is $400 per pip. It's like a... Bro, this is just Greek yogurt, protein powder, and like a Biscoff biscuit crumbled in half. Fucking good. It's like 90 calories, shitload of protein. Can't complain. Ow. Fucking hard. It's too cold. Few? What's few? Pause? Ayo? Mad. Nah. None of that. No shenanigans around here. Chat, we're like struggling at this area right now. I'm hesitant to take sells here. What do you mean, nah, bro? Should I just lean into it, make it as suspect as physically possible? I'm gonna replay that. That was sus. Nuh-uh. Why are you making some mad noise when eating? Because it hurt. I said, ow. Please don't clip it. GG's fuck. Meow. 45 seconds to the closure here, chat. Moving on very swiftly. If this closes no bottom wick, I've got no clue what to do. Because I would really want to buy the fuck out of it, but at the same time, you just have a void all the way down here that you could push into. So like, yeah, I don't know. Oh. Should have room down towards the 43s though here. Maybe we can take a look if it taps into 43 and then... Oh, chat, what is going on, man? Respected on the 30. I don't like this, man. I hate when price just falls like this. It's just cascading downwards, right? when you take sells here, you always end up somehow shorting the bottom. I don't know how it works, but you always just end up shorting the bottom for no reason, which is fucking annoying, right? So we're gonna wait. I'm not gonna have ginormous stops either. Just gonna stay patient here, chat, to be honest. Because yes, you might feel the range, but okay, we're ripping down. 25 pips already, man. There's a lot of volume here right now, which is good. Daily is well and truly flipped, right? Very interesting. To be fair, you did close respecting. Actually, no, you didn't. You closed a little bit above the previous. So I'm trying to think whether we should switch our bias towards sells here right now or not. Honestly, I just want to let price do its thing for a bit longer. I'll stay until, I don't know, at least NYSE open, right? At least. You guys can just sit and watch me eat this ice cream. It's not an ice cream, but yeah. No, I'm joking. Oh, that's the rejection I'm looking for here, chat. I would have wanted it to be a bit earlier, and I would have wanted it to be a bit faster as well. But if we can do it nonetheless, close back above 53, that could be our buys. Easily. Oh, the music stopped. I've been watching Euro, GBP, and gold. They didn't give me one entry. Today seems like a bad day. I'm probably going to lose when I find a position. If you think that, then get off the fucking... get off the charts, man. If you look at the 30 and the 15, the level's lower. Yeah, I know it is. 100%. That's why I said it. Closed respecting on the 30. Massively respecting, right? What do I need to do to win the giveaway account? If you join the free masterclass, it's not, why did I put free masterclass? It's not free. If you join the masterclass tomorrow, right? You're gonna walk away with a funded account, most likely. All right, there's the link. I just sent it in. That's how you win this is the current giveaway we've got going on. I might do one if we get to 50 likes. We'll see. So get to 50 likes and you can find out. We're flipping here, chat. Flipping on that 30-minute candle, which is very interesting. Not enough for me to actually take a buy just yet. Give away an ACG account? Bro, you sound like one of the Indian people in my DMs telling me what to give away and not what not to give away. Bro, don't give away this account, give away this account. Or bro, give me cash instead of an Apex account or whatever. Shush. It's confusing as fuck right now. Cannot go short for sure, but buying here is not a great idea either. That's why you need to wait for more confirmation, bro. Simple, right? Just wait. Have the crown? Yeah, you're number one. Number one. Okay, chat. 5-minute closing bullish. Very interesting. Is this your sign to go all in on longs right now? No. But if we close above, maybe it is. 5 minutes gonna close, no top wick. Watch this. Yeah, knew it. Knew it. Chat, you closed. Oh, you did close above. So if we can get like a 5-minute market structure shift here, which technically you do have, maybe a 15-minute closure back in the range. That's where we can look for our buys. Ah, Mr. Tom, how we doing? Chat, what do you guys want to see content-wise as well? If you could pick any video to feature on the Trendlines channel, what would it be? No suspect answers as well. I feel like the way I said that, I know what you guys are thinking. You're gonna come up with like fucking an OF video or some shit like that. I'm gonna buy some protein ice creams because of you after stream. Just make them, bro. Can Sam get a kill on Warzone? 100-part miniseries. Oh. Oh. Straight to the heart. Let the ice cream melt onto your fingers a bit, please. Please is crazy after that. That's insane. That is truly ridiculous. Bro, I dropped a 20 bomb yesterday. Making takes too long and it's a waste of time. Get your girl to make you some of them. Freaky frog. Yeah, that is insane. Oh, we reflipped. Crazy. So that no top wick on the 5 minute really played a big impact now. Too locked in for a girl, bruv? That's where you're wrong, my friend. Having a girl makes you more money, not less. I loved your recent video where you talked about cutting down the time you sit in front of the charts. Yeah, I can do more like that, 100%. I've got a sick video coming out soon on prop firms, chat. Like on how to pass a prop. It's gonna be really good. We're here for the bag and you're a big focused. They're focused on the wrong things, bro. Can't lie, I didn't help myself by eating an ice cream live on stream. Like that was probably mistake number one. But I was hungry, bro. What do you want me to do? Sit here hungry? I'm not doing that. And then I'll be boring and then cranky or some shit. I don't know. What kind of ice cream is it? Bro, my girl made these. They're like protein ice creams. It's like Greek yogurt, protein powder, and some like Lotus biscuits. You know, like Biscoff. Fucking good. Trying to get shredded, chat. Like I really do want to dial in on the cut because can't lie, I've been eating too good. You know what happens when you start to make serious money? Well, not, okay, wait. Let's rephrase. You know what happens when you start to make some very good money, right? Is it gets a lot harder to be more disciplined with food and the cut and dieting, etc. Because you go to nice meals, you go ahead and like actually have to go out for dinner, like client meetings, stuff like that, and you can afford really good, really nice food. And as well as that, you can afford to order in, and when you get lazy, you obviously don't want to cook, right? So it's difficult to get shredded if when you start making money. I don't know. The Mao, it was fiending for an entry, so you swap the high of being in a trade with the high of sugar. Yeah, maybe. There's no sugar in this, but maybe. Get a chef. I'll say this so she can't hear, but I have a chef in it. Like, no, realistically, my girl cooks every single night. Like, I don't remember the last time I cooked in this fucking apartment. Bro, but you know what it is? She cooks so well, and she likes cooking, so why not, eh? Plus, I'm so busy. I don't really have time. Like, I'm literally doing shit all day, every day. And that is why it's more beneficial to have a girl than to be single when you're trying to make money, right? Because now I don't really have to focus on the other stuff, like sorting shit out, tidying the house, cooking. Trent, you have an Amex Platinum? No, I don't actually. I have the Amex British Airways card because I thought it was more beneficial for me. But I'm gonna get the Amex Platinum for my business. But the Amex British Airways card is actually a fucking cheat code, bro. Like, I fly business class every time I fly back to the UK. Anytime I fly anywhere, and it's so cheap. Like, stupidly cheap. Amex BA is the way to go, 100%. It's such a good card. For example, when I went back to the UK the other day, which is like a 5-hour flight, I flew business class British Airways both ways, and cost me like $160, bro. That's it. Not dollars, pounds. Why the fuck am I talking in dollars? Cost me £160, which is fucking nothing, right? For 2 business class flights. I can get you 100,000 points if you get in with my link. I don't know if they'll get me a platinum card right now. Because trading income's really difficult to... They just don't like it. Last time I applied for a platinum for my personal, they were like, your income's not consistent. Maybe I shouldn't have put trader. Maybe that was a mistake. Maybe I have to put like, to be fair, I'll probably put something like finance or social media or some shit. Just need 3K a month? Yeah, I know, bro. I make way more than 3K a month. But again, like they said about trading and everything. Bro, Revolut's class as well. There's nothing wrong with like with the Revolut, man. They're so good. Especially if you make a lot of international transfers. Like, I have to pay people. I have people on my team that are in America, people on my team that are in fucking loads of different countries, right? I have to pay them in all different currencies, and it's way easier to use a Revolut than anything else. You can't transfer from any banks internationally without a huge fee. Problem with Amex as well is you can't use it out here in like, you can't use it in Europe really. Like, you can't use an Amex in Cyprus really. Like, no people actually take it. Yeah, I don't know. Revolut is us? How? For its purpose, it's exactly perfect, right? The purpose is to be able to send money internationally, and that's what it does very, very well. Amex in Amsterdam is everything. Yeah, in Italy, I could never use it. In Greece, I could never use it. In Cyprus, I could never use it. Chat, 15-minute closing here. The fees nowadays? Everything has fees, bro. Look at this. We closed respecting the 15 level. We're starting to reject now as well. You might see a continuation up towards these highs here. I just want to see like a nice little closure above the level. But this 15 minutes going to close no top wick, right? Pretty much. And it's a strong rejection area as well. If we closed above there, chat, I'd be in buys right now. So maybe we have to wait for this 30-minute, which is also going to be NYSE open. If the 30-minute can close bullish up here, that should be nice. But I might be gone by the time we get a chance. 5-minute market structure shift though. 1 minute big market structure shift. Broke out above this range. So let's see what happens here, chat. Let's start to lock it in a little bit. We've got a lot of potential here. A lot of opportunity, to be honest. Amsterdam is one of the best cities without the cold. I do like Amsterdam. But it's very, very, very touristy, like super touristy. Why can't you stay longer? I can, but I mean, we'll see what happens then, I mean. Every Western country is done for 15 years. Done for in 15 years. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think there'll be a switch. It can't keep going this way. It just can't. It can. Nah, but realistically, I just don't think it can, to be honest. World War III will happen. I think we need a World War III. Mark my words. My name's not Mark, but I do get what you mean. Flipping, maybe. I got someone who can easily win World War III alone. Who? This is going to be the most brain rot thing ever. Whatever this reply is going to be brain rot. Brain rot. Fucking Tim Cheese or some shit. What kind of confirmation we wait for? Either a closure below back here now to continue down, but realistically, I'd rather have a 30-minute closure just like this. I may have entered a buy on the 1 minute breaking structure. I don't think that's a bad shout, to be honest. I actually don't. I'm going to look for the 5 minute maybe. I was getting FOMO whenever I'd reload the charts and saw a trend and it'd affect my trading. Now I see it as a positive, as there's good price action happening. Yeah, exactly, bro. Good mindset shift. That is a very, very good mindset shift. Being poor is not being rewarded. I guess it is more than being middle class, to be fair. Like, middle class people are getting shafted left, right, and center now. It's time to push down a bit here, chat. I want to see a closure like just like this, but just above the range. 15-minute flipped. Ooh. Interesting. If you close bearish now on this 15, you could take sales to continue all the way back down, and I would be happy taking that, right? That would be a decent trade for me. Stop super tight as well. In the Netherlands, if you don't work with 3 kids, you get 3.5k a month. That's insane. I've got a dip, take some W's. Will do, Gareth. I appreciate it, man. Chat, let's start to lock it in here. We've got probably 10 minutes till the next entry. 10 minutes also until NYSE open here, which is very important. Oh, maybe we can get someone off this 5. Nope, no bottom wick. Nice. Cooked. I actually kind of did have a bottom wick. Oh, I was like, what? I was thinking, why does that look so different? But it was NQ. Still looks very different though. Does it? No. Chat, this might be the level here though. This might be the level. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go and change this to like one of these. Just a minor level over here. Where was it? Here? Yeah. Okay, so if we can close above there, that'll be the buys. I won't lie, I saw a TJR video recently. I'm trying to adapt high precision entries for fake outs and reversals. I'd be careful watching that, bro, to be honest. But yeah, do what you want to do, man. If it works out, it works. How's NAS 100 doing? Oh, what? Yeah, let's look at that NQ position. Actually, wouldn't have played out. Well, not that it wouldn't have played out, but it did close respecting. You'd be like, depends where you got an entry actually. If you got a wick entry on that, then you'd be decent right now. But I do think buys above that level on NQ is not a bad thing, to be fair. Watch SG, not him? Yeah, trust me. Veg, big love, man. But he's right. I'm careful too. Okay. $10 billion, please. Can I just make 10 billion, please? Yo, I'm trying to, in case you didn't know, I'm trying to make 10 billion. Now, like right now, this trade, this one trade is it. It's all or nothing. 10 billion or $0. I'm going in full margin. One day, you know, one of those full margin guys is going to end up making a mil. It's gonna happen. I mean, 99.99999% of the time they blow their accounts, but one time, one lucky time, one of them's gonna go ahead and fucking somehow flip $5 into a mil. And then they're gonna be living like a king in Africa with fucking 2007 BMW or some shit. The fakest gold Rolex you've ever seen. It's gonna happen. Full mugging. Okay, so we're pushing back up here, chat. This is very, very interesting. 5-minute close bearish. So let's wait for this 30-minute. We got a lot of potential right now. I want to try and catch this 30-minute push up towards the 71s, right? Chat, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, by the way. Yo, I made a day in the life reel the other day. You guys seem to enjoy it. So do you guys want to see more stuff like that? I don't know if you saw it or not, but I thought that was a banger reel on my Instagram. Chat, make sure when you see the post on the Instagram, go show some love, because I want to see people from stream over there as well. I think we have like 2 different audiences. I have like an Instagram audience and then a stream one. I'm gonna try and blend them together. It was this one. I feel like this was a banger reel. This is a realistic routine of a full-time trader living in Cyprus. So first of all, I gotta jump up, caffeinate and hydrate with a black coffee and some electrolytes. Then I'm heading out to the balcony and normally write out what I have to do for the day. But today I had a trade running from last night, which is not normal, but I checked the position and decided to close it early at 6.5K in profit. So then I'm getting ready for the day, have to shave, shower. I've also been trying out this new beef tallow moisturizer, which is absolutely incredible. But yeah, then I headed to my office to do some pre-market analysis and answer some questions from my mentorship students. But now it's time to turn the office into studio mode, ready for my live stream. So if you didn't know already, I stream every single day on YouTube for NY session. Today's stream went sick. One trade that hit VE though, so no profit, but chat stuck to the plan, so I just reminded myself of something. By the way, yeah, if you like those videos, let me know so I can make more of them. Chat, I unlocked a new move in the gym the other day. First time I've ever been able to do it at like the current weight that I am. I unlocked a muscle up. I've never ever done one because I've always been super fucking heavy. We finally unlocked the muscle up. Yo, music loud, my bad. Yeah, what I was saying was, finally unlocked a fucking muscle up. Which I was pretty excited about. I've never done one before. And then I was like, let me try this shit. I feel like a muscle up at like 100 kg is pretty impressive. No? Okay. 5-minute close back above here, chat. Fuck you guys, honestly. I'm joking. Definitely enjoyed it. Thank you, Tony. I appreciate it, man. NAS 100 is moving. So's gold. Chat, we've got 4 minutes till the closure here. 4 minutes. Yeah, nah, chat, we've got beef now. Unfortunately, me and you got beef. NYC open in 5 minutes. It's NYSE open, but yeah, in 3 minutes. 3.5. This should be our position right here. We're going to look for something like this playing out. I'm going to look at taking like this from here to here. It's going to be the goal. Not in yet though, obviously. Wait, let me see how much. How do I do this? How do I... Well, I need to calculate the size. Is there no way to calculate fucking trading size on... I guess I can do one... Yeah, I can do 10 micros. So like a mini, basically. Bottom wick first, chat, will be lovely. Absolutely the delicious trade if we can get that. Nice little market structure shift. Need a bottom wick though. Need a bottom wick. Chat, we'll be back in 2 seconds. Oh my days, bro. Why did it have to run without me, man? Pull back. Please. Oh, just pull back. Now, we'll see. I do need a pullback, though. I can't lie. Didn't want it to fill the range. Target for buyers would be all the way up towards the top of here, to be honest. Pull back. It's actually going without us, chat. 5-minute no bottom wick as well. Calm down, it will come back. No, I want to throw a temper tantrum, please. In fact, I will do what I want to do. If I want to pull a temper tantrum, I'm going to do it. I'm just joking, by the way. But yeah, look. Top wick here would be great. Bottom wick on the open. Muy bien. Just need a bottom wick on the open, and then we are good to go. Oh, this would be great. This would actually be really good, chat. If we can pull back here. That's not a pullback. That's quite clearly not a pullback, gold. What's NQ doing? Oh my days. Those buys ripped. Chat, I told you to take those buys. It's actually going to close no top wick, isn't it? Oh no, it didn't. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. chat, that is such shenanigans, chat. NYSE open right now, so it should bring you some volume. I expect to see it rip through now, to be honest. High Life, you promised me it'd come back, bro. You promised it'd come back and it didn't. Ah, chat. Geoguessr it is, I think. I genuinely think we might have to play the Geoguessr here. Call it a day. Everyone should go full margin, you said? Yeah, 100%. No, chat, I'm joking. For YouTube and every reason, that's a joke. Chat, we're going to play the Geoguessr and we're going to call it a day, man. I love you all very much. If you haven't already, make sure you drop a like. By the way, if you haven't already signed up, the slots to the live masterclass are filling up. We literally just sold one more right now. As you can see right here, whilst I was live. So make sure you go ahead and sign up because there's probably like 2 slots left or some shit like that. So it's very, very important. It's going to be absolutely instrumental to your success. Super fucking valuable webinar, masterclass type shit. Teach you everything from basics of trading, the entire TRLS strategy and psychology and how I pass the prop firm fast. All right. So if you do want that, how much is it? It's $50. Fucking cheap as anything. And I'm doing massive giveaways in there worth more than the $50 anyway. So more than worth it, man. There's only 10 slots available. I think we have 2 left. It'll be sold out by this afternoon. All right, cool. Chat. Here's the link to the Geoguessr. If you're going to leave before the game, drop a like and subscribe as well. Make sure you sign up to that webinar as well. Yo. It's a cook name. Chat. I'll give you 10 seconds to join up. All right, I'm going to start this game in 3, 2, start. If you're too late, you were too late. I'm going to win this time, though. You lot are cooked. I never get those ones. Like, I never get the South America ones. I just don't know the difference. Where the fuck is this, chat? Why is this in English? Wait, what? So confused. Where the fuck is this? Like Australia or somewhere? How is that? Why is that? What? Why was it in English in India? So weird. I mean, I was still close, but... What flags are these? These English flags? No. Indonesia or some shit? Thailand? No, what's the Thai flag? Chat, my flag knowledge is not very good. Is it Malaysia? Singapore. No, wait, what? Where is this? Yeah, it's Malaysia. Or no, it's Indonesia. Fuck. Probably should have known that. Yo, my actual Asian geography is terrible. Yo, this is the moon. Solidaridad Nacional. Yo, this is this? I feel like this might be here. Only because Top Gear went there. Peru. Close enough, I guess. Yo, how am I in 4th? This has got to be the Netherlands, right? Like, it kind of has to be. I reckon somewhere like that. Yeah. I'll take it. I'm still in 4th though. Holy shit. Yo, who is that? 17,000 points. That's fucking insane. Chat. Look, that's it from me, man. Listen. Have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. What a stream that was. Super valuable. Unfortunately, we didn't get an entry, but you know, it is what it is. Yeah, man. Look, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. If you're trading, trade responsibly. Drop a like and subscribe. Go and check out the new YouTube videos. And most importantly, sign up to the live masterclass, because that is going to be so much fucking value for you. In literally 2 hours, it can change your entire trading life. So look, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye, chat. See you later. Drop some W's.